Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And whoops, hang on a second. Okay. Um, it's Tuesday, December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. Anyhow, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Have fun with your friends and your family and happy, prosperous, healthy New Year. Anyhow, so I just came on for a few minutes. I just wanted to show you. I had made this for my youngest grandson. It's a keychain. It's an altered domino. Okay, and I put a bell on it to put a key ring. Um, and her two favorite colors, green and purple. So I did that with alcohol ink, and then I took a picture that a picture that my daughter-in-law sent me, a few of them, and I chose this one. He's laying on the couch. Anyhow, so he's a he's my youngest grandson's dog, and he's a husky. I'm not sure if he's pure, but he's husky. And I wrote his name on there. His name is Loki. Okay. And I also wrote down here, and you can't really see it. I put it in the Dane runes. Um, from that's all, yeah. So I spelled his name with the runes. Anyhow, that's what I made for him. Anyhow, so that's about it, and I can't really bring it closer so you could see his name that I wrote on coffee stain paper, or tea stain paper. Sorry. So you can't really see it. Even if I bring it up too very close, it'll be too blurry. But anyhow, that's it. That's all I wanted to come on to show you. And I'll be back at some point after the holidays, I think, if not before. But anyhow, so like I said, have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys another time. So I'll see you later. Ciao.